there, and welcome to another episode of Web3 Revolution. My name is Rex. Before we begin, please remember that none of what we talk about is financial advice. So, let's dive right into it. Today, we're going to be talking about BloFin. It's another centralized exchange, another SEX. And as you can see, it's kind of where whales are made. Now, it's super safe. As you can see, there's all these cool things. New users exclusive. Obviously, if you're a new user, you could use our promo code, of course. You can earn up to 5,000 USDT. How do you do it? Obviously, you trade, first deposit, reward, mystery box. So obviously, it's up to 5,000 USDT. You probably won't get that much, but there's an opportunity for you to get that much just by, depositing and doing assets. What's really nice about BloFin is, of course, how easy it is to buy crypto. Obviously, I can just, say I want to put euros. It's just going to say the thing, payment method, boom, done, zero fees, get it done, recurring buy or not. I mean, usually there's a long process and a lot of things to do in order to get your credit card to work. Here, no, just add a new card. And of course you have to verify your account, but it goes very, very fast. Now, what's really interesting is the markets. Of course, there's obviously the Bitcoin, the Ethereum. It looks like there's Centrifuge, there's EWJ, which I actually don't know this one. With, they all have good volume, this is 500 million. This is 130 million. This is good numbers. You can trade. I love that they have oil. We've always been trading oil recently because of obviously the war. There's also stocks, as you can see, Palantir, Coinbase, and all these are doing fantastic. Tria is also very interesting. I don't know if you know Tria. Robinhood. It's really cool. And then we can get into more interesting things like Palladium, Platinum, and all that. So as you can see. What's nice about this PolyX is really interesting, actually. I don't know what it is. So we're just going to look at it right now. Because, Polymarket's hot. What is this PolyX thing? Does it have something to do with Polymarket? Maybe, maybe not. Yeah, that is a juicy chart. Anyway, as you know, there's not that many... oh, wow. This is actually not great. But it's good. It shows that, BloFin... has not only the top coins, which everyone has, it also has more rare coins and assets that might make a lot of sense for you, especially considering what's happening right now. Look at this banana thing. I never even heard of this. What is this? And you think oh, there's no volume. Oh no, 2.4 million. So what is that? That's whatever. That's not bad. That's it's like 200K of volume. Just don't buy a lot of this, right? But there's enough liquidity for you to get in and out. You can see boom, 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 boom. That much band. So you're making whatever. It's trading enough for you to actually put in a grand, 2K, 3K, and really ride this up if you think this is gonna work. Obviously, like any other thing, you can put all the charts, you can put all the indicators. Me, I like RSI, and I like, of course, I would never forget the MACD. Those are my two main ones. And then I usually just draw on the chart here and there, here, obviously, we see that nice, what is that, MA60, so 60 moving average. But, I could always just take this and maybe draw a line right there. And if it goes over that based on previous trends, which here, I guess, yeah, you see right there. That would be the previous trend, so we put one right there. And, I can obviously just do the trending as needed. So, these are futures. Obviously, they're spot too, right? Futures are risky because, you're putting in leverage. You can do cross, you can do isolated. Even on this freaking banana thing. Can you imagine? It's insane that you can do 50x leverage on a banana thing, So, you can really take as much risk as you want on this, which is a good and a bad thing, right? It really depends on how you look at this. Copy trading, obviously, copy trading is great, if you have these top traders, these ROIs. Now, obviously, be careful with copy trading because, it's showing the 30-day, but it won't show the 5-year or whatever. So some people do very, very well on a short term and do very, very poorly on a long term, like this Keystone Lab AI. But their sharp is 1496. That's a very good sharp. This is 39 sharp, 35 sharp. So these guys might actually have something that's really worth it with, 30 days, 24%. Obviously, okay, then there's prudent, right? So as you can see, highest copier's P&L. It's really cool that you can even maybe become a trader yourself if you ever want to, if you feel like you have what it takes. I might do that later. Just become a lead trader, you apply, you probably have to pass a test. But more importantly, these people that have done the test, that are battle tested, essentially, look, they're not managing huge amounts, right? This is like 150K. This guy's managing $316. So, it doesn't even matter what he does. This guy's managing $7. Like, who cares? But it's the guys that own 20, 30K. You can add a K to it and maybe just see it grow massively. And that's the big issue. Well, not the big issue, but the reality with these copy trading is that, if you do it for, if a guy does AUM 150K and he gets these returns, amazing. Now, can he get those same returns if you get 10 million in the account? You just need more liquidity. And at that point, that's when it gets really interesting and hard, actually. So, you can do spot and futures, and that's nice. Futures obviously is riskier, and you will notice that in spot, the top guys, they're not making the same returns, right? 7%, 6%, 7%. And you compare to, this is like 600, 300, it's just bigger. It's normal because you're using perps, you're using leverage, and it's obviously riskier, but if you win, right? It could be that these guys just did one great trade, but this is interesting because it's more than one great trade. You can see really clearly through the chart that they've been trading consistently, so that's nice. So what's really nice too is obviously BloFin Earn. You can literally make, obviously it's not 120% a year, but it's on a 7-day period. So you're going to be lending out to people on the futures side here. That's usually what this means. And they have these high incentives on these short-term dates because they know people will get liquidated, or the borrowing fee is just so high and they don't have enough USDT. So you lending your USDT, it's also a new user little bonus, right? Sure, it's not sustainable. But here, the Bitcoin is a little more sustainable. Now, if you can do this every 7 days, you can imagine you can do a lot of damage. You can do quite a lot of damage and really enjoy those benefits just by staking your Bitcoin, staking your Bitcoin, staking your Bitcoin. Obviously, it's not going to go forever. Also, dual investment is always cool. You can just you just buy low, sell high. And you kind of just choose when you're buying Bitcoin. So it's like a grid trading bot in a way. If you've ever done grid trading bot, it is very similar. And as you can see, usually very high APRs. As long as Bitcoin is volatile and hitting those levels that you stated, you're going to be making money. And it's really that simple. So there's no reason not to use it, essentially, which makes BloFin so nice. It's so nice with BloFin because, as you can see, it's so easy to use too. I'm showing things that are so easy. If you're a bigger guy, you have the OTC trading, you have to get in touch, it takes a while. It's not as interesting. The rewards hub really is cool. And I showed this before, I touched it before, but indeed, the more you use the platform, the more rewards you can earn. And you can earn $5,000, which is quite nice. And of course, if you invite your friends, you can get a nice little commission for that. Overall, it's just great. There's nothing like this. And finally, we're going to go to the Launchpad. There's more features, but these are the biggest ones. They are going to be launching some coins on BloFin, and be sure to take advantage because, these are the pre-sales where you can do quite well. So it makes a lot of sense to do this overall. Anyways, this was Rex. I just presented to you BloFin, and I hope to see you in the next video.